Hi again. I'm wearing my swimsuit already, but I will not swim, just later. So they're jumping this side. Wow, amazing. I can't even do that. I'm scared. Look. I like it here. Okay. He will jump. Watch out. Two of them. You have video. I will make a video for you too. They will jump. I think they are not ready yet. Need some break. Can't even do that now. Yeah. Just feel the day today. You're looking someplace for jump? Sorry? You're looking for some place, or that's the only place? Ah. Oh yeah. Woo-ha! I once jumped, I remember, in Siquijor. Is that in Kawasan? Yeah, I don't know. Yes, in Kawasan Falls in Cebu. I'm sorry. Yeah, it was ridiculous. But yeah, I enjoy it, but not here, okay? Not here. Too many rocks. It's dangerous. Okay, then we'll see ya.